How to apply autotune in Voloco? Want that smooth autotune sound like your favorite artist? Let's apply it in Voloco in just few steps. Open the Voloco app and you will land on the home screen. To get started, tap the big pink and blue plus button at the bottom center. Choose record audio or new project depending on your version. Then pick a beat or go no beat for a cappella. You will see a mic icon or red record button. Tap it and start singing, rapping, or even talking. Your voice is being processed in real time. This is autotune in action. After recording, tap Effects for different vocal present at the bottom. Hard tune, big chorus, super vocoder. Each one has its own autotune style. Just tap to apply and preview. Happy with the autotune sound? Tap continue and hit save or publish it straight to your socials. And boom, you just autotune your voice with Voloco like a star. Enjoy the vibe. Hit that like button, and if you have any question, drop them in the comment and subscribe for more mobile music hack. Catch you in the next one.